Alright class, today's video is going to deal with the argumentative essay, and we are going to talk about how you earn that last point by responding to an opposing viewpoint using refutation, concession, or rebuttal. So as you can see, it's highlighted right there. I'm going to explain the difference between all three and when you should use them. All right, first up, we're going to talk about refutation. Refutation is the easiest one. Lots of us are used to refuting someone's claims. It's simply when you are going to prove something is factually wrong. So you are in a debate and an opponent is arguing something that you know to be false, then you are going to refute them. It would be like me saying that the sky is, orange. And you'd say, well, no, the sky isn't orange because I can see it and it's blue. The second thing that you can use is concession. Concession probably is one that most people do not like to use in debate, but it is a very good tool if you use it properly. So you would use concession when you want to acknowledge an opponent's point. So if we are arguing over climate change, I would say, yes, it's true that the annual temperature of the world has increased over the last 10 years. So I've acknowledged that point that my opponent has made. There are lots of other things you can do with concession, such as I could then add another reason why I believe my point of view to be more correct, such as, yes, it's true that the global temperature has increased over the last 10 years, but I believe the protections and safeguards that we have put in place since then are starting to work, but it's just going to take a little longer. So we don't need to change our strategy with climate change. The last one is rebuttal. And rebuttal happens when you provide an alternative fact to something not provable. And that something not provable part is the key. It's, the question that you guys are trying to answer or the prompt that you're debating over isn't actually a fact. So rebuttal is probably the one that you're going to use most, in which you provide another alternative.